What's up, YouTube? So I wanted to share with you guys a project I'm doing. I'm working on a DIY rainwater collection. Now here I am on the side of our hilltop. We have a hill, and over here the hill is, it slopes down pretty dramatically. And what I'm thinking is I went with the tractor and made a V shape in the dirt going downhill. And what my goal is I'm going to attempt to put a tarp and have the V of the tarp bring all the rainwater down here into this bucket. Now I dug a hole in the ground with a post hole digger and put this bucket in there, and it's all wet over here because it rained the other day. And my goal is going to be to get that tarp to come down here and go into the bucket, where I'm going to have a sump pump with a float switch, so when it rains the bucket will fill up with water and it'll go in a tube and go into that water tank over there. So that's the goal. As we continue, I'll add on to here, so hang tight. Alright, so this is up and running. As you can see, I've got the tarp going, and here is the pump, and it's actually sucking right now. So all the water flows down to the middle and drains into here. You can actually see it right here. It's raining right now. And it just sucks that bucket up and goes through this hose, which I plan to actually insulate because it freezes sometimes. And then it runs through these filters, out this tube, through a check valve, and then straight into the water tank. So we started at about 390 gallons. I don't know if you can see where it says 400 there, but just last night with it raining, we're now above 400 gallons. So thanks for watching, guys. See you later.